Marhaba, assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apologize in Arabic in different ways other than just the plain I'm sorry. And I'm going to teach you different ways so that hopefully this will help you in case you're in trouble. Let's get started. First off, we have the plain I'm sorry. We have ana asif, masculine version, ana asifa, but I'm going to give you the dialect pronunciation, ana asfe. So asif for masculine, asif for feminine. Yes, you could say them on their own without ana, but the full, if you want to say the full sentence, ana asif, ana asfe, okay? I'm the mistaken one, or not the mistaken one, I'm the one at fault, yeah? But literally like mistaken. So, ana ghaltan, ana il ghaltan, if you want to say I'm the one at fault, ana al ghaltan, feminine version, ana al ghaltane. Okay, notice we're just adding a or a to make these words or turn them into feminine. Ana al ghaltan, ana al ghaltane. Or simply you could just say ana ghaltan, ana asif, ana ghaltan. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken, I'm at fault, ana ghaltan. Ana asfe, ana ghaltane, feminine version, okay? So all these first two take on gender. The next one also takes gender, and the last two do not take gender. I'll explain in a sec. But the next one, forgive me. Samihni to a male. So samih is forgive, and then when we add the ni, it's like me. So samihni, and then to a female, samhi, and then samhini. Again, this is dialect pronunciation, particularly Palestinian / Jordanian Arabic. But these will be understood by the majority of Arabic speakers, if not all Arabic speakers. So samhini to a female, and then another one. I apologize. So ana a'tadir is how you pronounce it in MSA, Modern Standard Arabic. In dialect, ana ba'tizir, and this works for masculine and feminine. Ana ba'tizir. Remember, the dal could be pronounced is in its original or actual form is pronounced as a the dal. So ana a'tadir or ba'tidir, yeah, that. But in dialect, as I pointed out in a former video, you can see it somewhere. There's some letters in Arabic where the pronunciation differs from Fusha, which is MSA, to dialect. And the dal is one of them. Sometimes it could be pronounced as a zay. I made a full video, more detailed one. You can check it out somewhere here. So if I apologize, you can say ana ba'tidir, or ana ba'tizir. Ana ba'tidir, or ana ba'tizir. Masculine and feminine, same. And then we have this B with dialect. We just add it. We add it with all the verbs in the present tense in spoken Arabic, particularly Levantine Arabic. It also exists in Egyptian Arabic. Tamam? That was a side note. Also, you could say something like, I didn't mean it. Ma kan asdi. Ma kan asdi. Tamam? Female would also say ma kan asdi. Tamam? So you have ana asif, ana asfi. Ana asif, ana asfi. Then you have ana al-ghaltan. Ana al-ghaltan. Wallahi, ana al-ghaltan. Add a filler word there to like spice it up a little. Ana al-ghaltan. Feminine version, ana al-ghaltani. Then we have سامحني to a male, سامحيني to a female. سامحيني to a female. أنا بعتذر أو just بعتذر. Same with feminine. أنا بعتذر. And then ما كان قصدي والله ما كان قصدي. Same. Female would say this, male would say this. Okay. Now you can combine all these together. You can say things like والله أنا آسف بعتذر ما كان قصدي أنا الغلطان. سامحيني. And then obviously add some bit of emotion to sell it. Don't just take what I tell you in the video and repeat the words. We don't want those robotic voices. Add some emotion to what I'm telling you. سامحيني بحبك. All this if you're in trouble with your lady. أنا آسف أنا غلطان. And then don't cry, but make it believable. So you can 100% combine them just like in English. I'm sorry, I apologize, I'm a mistaken one. Forgive me, all this stuff, okay? Let me know what other words or phrases you can think of. There are definitely more, okay? Let me know which one is your favorite and if you've used any of these before. احكوا لي بالتعليقات. Let me know in the comments. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.